Hello, good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech. Today in this video, we'll see the unboxing of these four items. Three items I ordered from Flipkart, and this is from the Snapdeal. These three are from the Flipkart, and we'll see what are those items. See here, this is the rechargeable weighing machine, and this is portable mini sealing machine, and the third one is Indus Valley Pre-Seasoned Tadka. So this is Indus Valley Pre-Seasoned Tadka. First I'll be unboxing this one. I'll be opening this and show you the full details about this Indus Valley branded pre-seasoned cast iron, fully iron tatka, and followed by this, and followed by this, and followed by this is the t-shirt. Okay, and all other unboxing videos I'll just drop in the description, just you can check. First of all, let me open this one, this Indus Valley pre-season cast iron tatka. Okay, yeah, right. So let me just open this with a, yeah. Yeah, this is the Indus Valley branded precision tawa, and I feel the weight here, this is very heavy. Okay, when I try to hold this is very heavy. Let me open this package also. And inside, is there anything inside? There's some paperwork. This may be the bill here. Okay, I'll keep this aside, and nothing else. And this is Indus Valley authentication card, so I'll keep this aside. Indus Valley pre-season cookware, maybe this is for the other products here. That's what. Before first use, note for cooking, after on how to care for your Indus Valley cast iron cookware. These are the instruction manual, you can say, and these are the items available. Okay, I'll be keeping this aside, and let us look at our main product, which is Indus Valley pre-season cast iron 5-inch tatka. Okay, coming to the diameter, it is 12.7 centimeter. Okay, yeah, the diameter in the sense this one, this is 12.7 centimeter, and the height is 5-inch. Okay, and they mention like this is pre-seasoned. Okay, so you no need to season, but just wash it thoroughly. If you want to season, you can just dry roast some rice here inside this, or make it into a powder like this. Okay, anyway, I'm not going to about this seasoning. And see here on the Flipkart side, the rating is 4 rating. Okay, that's the reason I purchased this. Let me scroll down, and for the other details, diameter, 100% natural cookware, they mention no harmful chemical coatings, so you can consider this, there is no chemical coating on the top, and it is mentioned like it is 100% toxin free. Okay, in the package there is one tatka, and the brand is Indus Valley, and it is pre-seasoned, and the model number black type, pan type, tatka, induction bottom, no. So this bottom is not induction friendly, so it is basically for the gas. And see here at the bottom also there is Indus Valley branding, and maybe this is the model number. Okay, I am feeling this is pretty much weight. Okay, and the weight here, weight details, they mention like 1.7 kg here in the website. Okay, yeah. So if you want a review video on this product, if you want a review video of the real user, how is the exact experience and everything, please do ask in the comments, so that when the user uses this for at least 2 to 3 months, I'll be posting a video on this. Okay, yeah, I hope you like this unboxing video, and followed by this one, a rechargeable sealing machine. This is rechargeable sealing machine, and this is rechargeable weighing machine. I'll be unboxing, and find the links in the description. Not only this, and if you want, like, see here, I also ordered these heavyweight water pressure gun. Okay, for plants purpose, for gardening purpose, or for cleaning your vehicle, that may be your scooter or car. This would be useful. Nirva high pressure brass, which I bought for 289 rupees, and with that I purchase this cushion seat, and all other things I'll be posting in the channel. So if you're interested, just find in the description. Okay, I'll unbox all those products and I'll keep it in the description. If you like this video, please do hit a like, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.